Hi boys and girls, Matt from the Real Toy Shop with another beauty. What have we got today? Well, we've got an R1200 GS Exclusive. Some nice extras, including the luggage and TFT screen and some other bits, but we'll talk you through it, walk around it, see if you like it, see if you fancy it in your shed. So let's start at the front. We've got a slightly taller tinted screen on there, which A, looks good and also gives you a bit more protection. Coming down, take a look at the front tyre. All good, forks all good. Everything on the bike is nice. Like I say, nice, well-specified bike as well. Front headers, all looking really, really nice. And anyone who knows these GSs will know you can suffer down in this area if they're not, looked after and well maintained and stuff. Front cover as well, again, looking great, and probably in some part to the having the fender extender, which really, really helps keep the condition, stone chips off and all that kind of stuff. We've got engine bars, engine protection bars, which also enhance the look and really do protect you. And then in here, it looks like we've got a mudslinger or some other make that's protecting the rear shock, because you have a look at the rear shock in there, that's all looking stunning as well. All around the engine casings, all looking nice. And these big boxer twins, especially in the GS and the exclusive models, really are a well-specified, great bike to ride as well. Back wheel looking good, rear hub, and we're coming around the boxes, which are the Vario boxes. If you've never used them before, they've got a system inside them where you can actually expand the X-box in and out to either ride with a narrower box or widen it, get more pants in for the weekend. Back tyre looking good. 68 plate. So anyone who doesn't know, that means that the bike is either late 2018, from September 2018 to March 2019. All those details will be in the description that's on the website, so take a look at those. And then that fills in all the little details that I might miss when I'm walking around. So, box again nice. Black shaft, black engine. Everyone likes a black shaft that's free from pimples. So, looks loads better and not suffering with any corrosion or anything that we can see at all. It looks nice. And again, your wheel looking nice. So your tyres are Michelin's. Can't quite see off the top of them. Michelin Road 6s we've got them here. Again, this side, engine bars with the extra sort of bit to protect your engine bars, which is good. And then coming up, all the GSs and stuff all got the adjustable seats. So this one's got the adjustable seat for height and stuff as well. And again, you can have a good look inside there at that shock, which is really, really, really good order. Again, all of the bikes in good order. And obviously the exclusive gets the special colour. I think they call it chocolate ice or something like that. And it looks well on the bike, especially with the black engine and the black gearbox and black rear drive shaft. So looking around the front, this all look good. And again, looking in there, look, you've got radiator covers, radiator guards, sorry, and your front shock all looking good. So that's kind of what we're looking at here with the bike. What can we do for you on the bike? Well, if you've got a part exchange or anything, that's cool. We have a part exchange form on our website. Keys up here, look, so I don't lose it. Hopefully this will zoom in. Yeah, it's got it. So have a look on the website. And again, keep hold of that number if you want some monthly payment figures. Give us a call in the office and we'll talk you through those. So that's the Part X and the monthly figures bit sorted out. What next? Well, I know you're going to want to hear it in a minute. And as you notice, all of these videos, all walk rounds are one hit, no editing or anything like that. So as I see it, you see it. And if you've got any comments or anything on the GSs or any other bikes or anything you'd like to see or bits and pieces like that, drop it in the comments below, because we're always happy to have a bit of a yarn with someone over a bike. So we've got the Part X, we've got the finance bits out the way. I know you want to hear a noise, but before that, we'll tackle the delivery. So how's delivery work? Well, here at the Real Toy Shop, it's absolutely free. Mainland UK, could be my happy smiling face that comes to see you. in our real toy shop van. So if you see us out on the road, give us a honk and a toot, and I'll try not to, remember that you're just being nice. And that delivery, my happy smiling face, unless you're at the wrong end of the country, miles away, and we've only got one bike to bring, otherwise we use a dedicated courier. Go on the website for time frames and all the adult stuff, you know, all the terms and conditions type stuff, and that will tell you exactly what you need to know. So, before we make a noise, we've got a few more bits to just talk you through here. So, being a GS exclusive, we've got all the gear on here. So we've got cruise control, we've got electric suspension, we've got extra spotlights, we've got rider modes, heated grips. I'm not sure about heated seats, but we'll have a look when we get it going. Keyless ride on this one, Quickshifter, just a nice thing. These hand guards as well that are here, they're absolutely brilliant to keep the cold off the back of your hands while you've got the heated grips on, and that allows the warm hands to circulate warm blood around the rest of your body. It's surprising what a difference it makes. We've also got the extra bar risers on here. Look, if you have a look in there, someone's added those, so that's brought the bars up and back, makes the bike just a bit more comfy. And we've also got an SOS button here. I'm always dead tempted to press one of them, aren't you? But anyway, it's like Dougal on Father Ted. Keyless ride, and that's your view from the driving position. That's where my head would be about. Nice and lofty, see over the cars. That's one of the benefits of riding an adventure bike every time. Right, my voice is getting croaky, you'll probably hear that. Full of bugs. So, let's turn her on. Let's see what happens. Keyless, so that's your key, so I don't lose it. There you go, look, it's all happening. And there you go, remote keys at 50%. Ooh, no functional impairment. Well, that's good to know. Right, we'll put a battery in that. It's got some petrol in it. Don't know if anyone caught the mileage because of that thing doing its thing. Let's have a look, see if we can get it. No, I don't know what I'm doing, do I? Which would really help. Here we go. Ooh, yes. Settings, media, telephone, navigation. So you can hook your bike up to this, your phone, sorry. 29,139 miles, absolutely nothing for one of these. And as you can see, there's many menus. There's a flipping thing on my phone there, look. So there's many menus to go through. So you can hook your phone up and navigate through that. So you need to start, it's all through an app on your phone, which obviously if you get the bike, that's cool. Same with your media, same with your phone. Hook it up and then you can actually control through the scroll wheel here, which is how I'm controlling that screen. Right, noise time, let's go. Let's get that screen back to normal dash. You can see, Matt, oh God, flipping heck, what am I doing here? Flipping turning it off out of sight, trying to press buttons. Right, so ABS light, why is that flashing, Matt? Well, that flashing until you get to 5 miles an hour or so many revolutions of the wheel. That little A down there indicates that your lights are on automatic, so you've got a daytime running light that's LED, and then your other lights come on. Most of the time they're on anyway. Adjustable screen there, and then you've got power sockets if you want to plug your heated gloves in, or your heated jacket, or anything like that, any of that good expensive stuff. Did I say we had spots on this earlier? Because we haven't, I've just noticed. But yeah, that's what that power socket's for. You've also got one at the rear as well, somewhere, that flips out so your passenger can put their suit on. Listen to that, sounds right, doesn't it? Sounds really good. A little bit of condensation in here because we're cold, so a little bit of condensation coming out, but aside from that, sounds absolutely lovely. These liquid cooled boxes, nearly said air cooled, well I did say air cooled, but these liquid cooled really have got plenty of power, plenty of performance, plenty of everything really. There's your LED sort of DRL around the outside there, and then the other one in the middle is also running. Now, what was I going to look for earlier? I've got the heated grips there. I don't think this does have heated seats, if I'm honest. I was going to have a look, wouldn't I? Settings, vehicle. Where's my vehicle? That one, I think. I think it would be in there. I could be wrong. Lisa often tells me I'm wrong, so. But that's back to the main screen. Let's say no. Unless somebody knows any different. If you know any different, drop it in the comments below. Just feeling if there's any other buttons about. Can't feel any, so. Let's turn her off. So that's the bike. GS 1200, exclusive, liquid cooled, 29k. I need it in my shed, Matt. What have I got to do? Number one, fill a part X form in if you need to. We know where to go to. All the details there in the video on that, on the realtoyshop.co.uk. Delivery, yeah, that comes for free anywhere in the UK. So that's all sorted. Monthly payments, give one of us in the office a call and we'll sort you out with those. And after that, let's get it in a van, let's get it paid for, and get it to you as quick as we can. Thanks for watching, always appreciated. You guys and girls that keep popping back, great. Anyone else who's stopped by, give us a thumbs up and a subscribe, it'd be wonderful, grow our little channel. YouTube thinks you might like this video or this playlist, but I think hit that like button. Thanks for watching, I'm out of here, more videos to do. Plenty more of them to watch on the channel. See you on the next one.